The High Volume Points indicator by Big Beluga is designed to visually highlight significant areas of market activity by pinpointing price levels with notably high trading volume. This indicator emphasizes key turning points, allowing traders to quickly identify potential areas of market interest or reversal. It operates by marking pivot highs and pivot lows, where exceptional volume occurs, represented visually by clearly defined circles placed directly on the chart. These circles are dynamically sized, with larger circles indicating greater volume activity, giving traders immediate insight into the strength of each volume-driven pivot. Additionally, the indicator draws horizontal levels at these key points, serving as precise reference levels that can guide traders when planning trade setups, entries, and exits. A practical scenario might involve a trader noticing a significant high-volume point at a resistance level. Observing the large circle and corresponding horizontal line at this level could indicate strong seller presence. Traders might then consider this a potential entry point for short positions after confirming price rejection or a reversal pattern. Conversely, significant high-volume points below current prices might suggest areas of buyer support, signaling potential opportunities for long positions. One of the key strengths of the High Volume Points indicator is its straightforward visual clarity, helping traders rapidly identify important volume-driven market pivots without needing complex analyses. However, its effectiveness can be further enhanced by combining it with complementary indicators. Popular additional tools include momentum indicators such as the Relative Strength Index or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, which help validate price reversals or continuation signals around high-volume points. Incorporating these additional indicators can reduce false signals and strengthen trading decisions. Moreover, risk management remains crucial when utilizing the High Volume Points indicator. Traders often strategically place stop-loss orders just beyond high-volume levels, ensuring tighter risk control. Profit-taking targets can similarly be set around subsequent high-volume levels or in areas aligned with other confirmed technical patterns, providing structured and logical exit points. Overall, by clearly pinpointing areas of heightened trading activity, Big Beluga's High Volume Points indicator assists traders in making informed and strategically sound trading decisions, particularly when combined with additional analysis and disciplined risk management practices.